Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike. I am super excited because the start of the summer unboxings have arrived. Yes, this is the first one that came today. Very interesting item in this, and it is come in a box, which is quite nice because we very rarely get ones that come in a box with Temu, but it is one with a chain. And listen, I think we could be in luck because it sounds like it's got a chain. Now, this is going to be the first one that I do for the summer theme. Just going to take that off and get into this wonderful painting. So, yeah, let's get into it. Arrived today. So, yeah, very exciting stuff. And, yeah, wow. Okay, so it's the diamond painting box, and inside here, it is a little bit dented there, so we'll have to have a look, but quite squashed as well. But when you hear rattling around, it's either the acrylic's either broke or the chain. So we just have to hope and pray that it's arrived. If it's broke, it's going to set me back another week. So yeah, this is the nervous bit. So we don't know if it's going to be in a million pieces. It is acrylic, and I was quite happy that it came in a box because I have had stuff that's acrylic that has not come in proper packaging. It's been just shoved in a mailing bag. But in here, oh look, oh my god, yes, I think we have got a beautiful piece here. Right, first things first, we've got our sorry, we've got our boat there with the pen. We are provided with a chain. They have actually attached half of it onto the item already. But are you ready, people? This is so interesting. Look at this. Hello, summer. Isn't it so so different, isn't it? Because I don't think I've ever done anything with flip-flops before. So what really, I put into Temu with summer written on it, and this is what popped up. So we've got 4 different actually 1, 2, 3, 5 flip-flops. We've got one that's got like a butterfly on it, one that's got like that sort of swimming thing that you wear in swimming to keep you above the water, the armband thing. I think that's probably a snail shell. And then here we've got what looks like one of them fish, you know, the blue and yellow ones, and then we've got a daisy. But then down here's something for Hannah, because Hannah loves her flamingos, and you've got a flamingo here, the word summer written across it. Got a few palm trees here with some flowers, and obviously it's so lovely that we've been provided with this chain. I really think that is very wrong of the range to not include a chain with that bunny that we got, because on the box it advertises with a chain. So I think they should have included that. So yeah, let's just pop that through. I struggle with things like this because I've got bloody big hands and they get in the way of things. But you see, it's so that you can hang it up. And let's just check the stick. The drills are sparkly ones, so this is going to be really lovely. So we are I've not decided about July yet, but June is definitely summer related. So let's just carefully peel that off. That feels like they've put that on the wrong way, but it could just be the vacuum suction. It is pastoral. Oh wow, the stick is fantastic. You can see it's really lifting the piece up off the mat. Yeah, that stick's fabulous, really lovely. So I'm really happy with that. But isn't it just so so unique, isn't it? It's not a canvas, it's just, what's nice is as well is I do so many animal paintings, and to have something that's a little bit of a break away from animal paintings is quite nice. But I thought that was quite lovely. So yeah, I got myself that. That's the first one. I haven't seen any others at the moment because I've been trying to get some beach ones. I don't seem to have an awful lot of beach ones. And then obviously on here we'll take that off later once it's done. So let's get into the drills. You can already see this is going to be quite some sparkly sign going on here. So I mean, that sort of thing you could put on your beach hut if you rent a beach hut near the sea. You know, you could put that on like your beach hut thing. In here we have got some wonderful drills. Look at that one there. It's like a drill from space. Look, it's all grey. I don't think I've ever had a grey special. We've got a lime green in this. We've got a beautiful pink there. And again, I'm very like this colour. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a very sort of, it gives me a space vibe, you know. We've got some blue marquees there. I think they're amber, is it? Some lovely golds coming up. We've got a green. We've got an orange. A blue, a very beautiful pink, hot pink for Liz there, and a silver. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I just think this is so like something different. So this won't take long at all to do. What I want to do is I want to just finish off doing this, which I should get round to today, and then we can allocate them trays for this. So yeah, I'm going to start this hopefully today because I just love it. I need this ready for the 1st of June, you see. But I just love it. I think I might get one for my brother's shed. I don't know, but just the way it says hello summer, you know, it's just making you want to get into that beach, you know, with all the things. I do feel a bit sorry for this penguin, this flamingo. He's got no eye. So we might put, if we've got a spare one, we might put like a little drill. So for example, if I just get a drill there, I could pop that there and perhaps turn it into like a black eye, you see. So it is possible. So for example, if I get a black one, we can give him a little eye, can't we? But yeah, I'll put this in the link if you want to get this for yourself. I think it's absolutely stunning that they include the chain. And you know, we can swap and change these chains with, you know, other paintings that perhaps don't come with the chains. So you can always take these chains off and put it onto another acrylic that doesn't have one. And I'm sure I've just said that twice, but but anyway, absolutely love it. Cannot wait to get into it. Welcome to summer kicking off in June. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, always tap the notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video is done on the channel. And that is the last unboxing for May. Can you believe it? We're already at the end of the month, and only one day to go until we're diving into June. But until then, take care and we'll see you next time. Bye now.